Hello, I'm Greg from Xopero and today I'm gonna show you how to start protecting your data with Xopero Cloud. Once you've got application installed on your computer, just run it and go to My Backup Sets tab, and in order to create new backup set, click New Backup Set button. Then provide the backup set name, for example, important data. And after that, you have to select what kind of backup would you like to perform. In this case, we will perform the local data backup. After that, select the data which you would like to backup from your computer. I will select screens directory from my desktop. Then you have only schedule the backup, which define how often this backup will be started automatically. In my case, I will run this backup every 1 hour because screens directory contains very important data for me. Just click Save to create the backup set, and here you can click Start Now to perform the backup right now. By clicking Show Details, you get detailed information about current backup process.